Yo, welcome. This will be a very short video tutorial about how to get more rolls and coins for the Dice Dreams. So I've got the Dice Dreams Plus Plus installed on my device. This is Dice Dreams Plus Plus and I have installed it on my iPhone, but it is also working for any Android devices. And the process of downloading is the same as for iOS devices, so I will show you this later in this video, how to get it for your device. But right now let me show you how this Dice Dreams Plus Plus Mod APK works. So when you want to get more coins, you need to click on that coin icon right here. This is working only in the Mod APK, so when you click on that coin icon, you will get 100k of the coins, and you can keep clicking to get more and more coins. And the same goes for the rolls. When you click on that roll icon, you will get 1k of the rolls, so each click will give you 1k of the rolls. So you also keep clicking to get more and more rolls. And I've got this mod from the ogappbox.com, so if you want to get it for your device, then go to your browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Safari on my iPhone, but it is also working for Chrome or whatever. ogappbox.com, this is the site. Go there and find here the Dice Dreams Plus Plus, unlimited rolls and coins. Each click adds 1k of the rolls and 100k of the coins. So if it's signed, click on here and click the start install button. It will start the downloading process of the Dice Dreams Plus Plus for your device. But for my device, I don't need to download it again because I already have the Dice Dreams Plus Plus on my device. But if you guys have any troubles with downloading, you can always check the how to install video tutorial, which is right here, and you will be able to get any app or game from this list, including the Dice Dreams Plus Plus. So that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the unlimited rolls and coins for the Dice Dreams, and bye.